Welcome to Diski Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. Sizokhuluma reason why Kaizer Chiefs have not signed any strikers or any new players during the January transfer window. Sibonile laphayana Orlando Pirates, they have signed 3 players of their own, Mamelodi Sundowns, also making a couple of signings. However, ikhosi siyabona ukuthi alisayinanga any new players. Here is the reason why this boy has been making waves laphayana ku-DDC Nyamaz ukuthi and he has been scoring goals left, right and center. Athi sibone amanye amanqaku washayayo laphayana ku-DDC, and he is basically the reason why they haven't delved into the transfer window to sign new players. Athi simbone laphayana uboy ukuthi wenzani ku-DDC.
Goes wide. Chance now for Imad Hendricks. Sends the ball in. Now Wusuku. Slip and slide. Teko Paho set up. Now he has a chance!
Yeah, that was Naledi Hlongwane making waves laphayana with DDC, scoring goals left, right and center. Vela Khumalo umrecommendile ukuthi promote laphayana ku first team or abuyele, because he does have a first team contract. However, because of the limited opportunities laphayana ku first team, ama co-coaches ukaze no Penny Yosef decide ukuthi bambuyisele emuva laphayana ku-Diski Challenge, where he is currently doing well. Simbonile laphayana uTouch Mabaso naye bamnikezile promotion, and he has also made his official debut, and also he played in that game against Zesco United replacing Umaboye. So yeah, that is the DDC captain. We see ukuthi he has been on form laphayana with DDC. He did well also in that Netherlands tour Mabasa, even though he did go back laphayana ku DDC for the first part of the season, but he was very impressive ama coaches laphayana England when they were taking the likes of Man United and Leeds on, and he's been impressive with a positive attitude. Simbonile laphayana went back, he did not sulk, uqhubekile wasebenza wagrinder. That is why the co-coaches have brought him back to the first team. I don't know what is happening with Thabo Cele. However, the form yakacele, it has coincided Lokhuzana, his loss of form, it coincides with Mabasa's gain of form, and I guess Thabo Cele's loss is Mabasa's gain. So drop your thoughts on comments. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Naledi Hlongwane, like I've already indicated, he is set to be recalled to the first team following a recommendation yaga Vela Khumalo. So yeah, we saw his video. In his video, umfana waseval uShayaman Amanqaku, he does have that experience. Carling Cup sambona last season, playing with the likes of Abo Vilagazi and Abo Mfukeng. He did well in that edition, Carling Cup, coached by former Orlando Pirates coach Rivero, being able to bring the best out of the player. So yeah, drop your thoughts on comments, guys. Do you think Ukaze no Penny Yosef, are they able to bring the best out of players? Simbonile laphayana uHlongwane, he was able to get a goal in the Netherlands tour. So yeah, unfortunately, bafika abovalibai ofikile uLuke Bartman. I guess that means limited opportunities for Naledi Hlongwane. So Nina, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. Do you think he deserves to be in the first team? Sibabonile laphayana uLuke Bartman, he's been able to get 2026 off to a good start. He's played in the PSL, he's played in the CAF Confederations Cup. Kaizer Chiefs very much still in both of those competitions. Drop your thoughts on comments. Nisho ukuthi ngicabanga ini ngayo. Currently sitting third in the PSL behind Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. We also seeing AmaZulu also behind Amakhosi laphayana PSL. Very tight competition. It's very good to see E-League being tightly contested, unlike the past 8 editions of PSL. So yeah, guys, that is all I have for today. Do you think uMabasa deserves indawo yakhe laphayana ku-Kaizer Chiefs midfield? Do you think uNaledi Hlongwane should be promoted? Is Vela Khumalo right to recommend him ukuthi bampromote, looking at Abo Valibai, looking at Abo Bartman? That is Kaizer Chiefs very own product. We will also be talking about Steven Mendes. I will inform you ukuthi what were the discussions between Vela Khumalo and Cedric Kaze regarding Steven Mendes. So make sure you tune into the next show. And then we will also talk about the starting lineup, Kaizer Chiefs versus Marumo Gallants laphayana Bloemfontein. We'll discuss the potential, or we'll be predicting that starting lineup. So make sure you do tune in. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Bye-bye.